Hey you guys, welcome to the video. My name's CalmCoolSavage and you're watching CCS TV. In this video right here, I'm going to show you how you can get up to 9,000 bits for free. By signing up with TwitchRpg, you can do Twitch research to get free bits. Now I know what you're thinking, TwitchRpg hasn't gave out surveys for the past 5 years. But now since you can't watch ads on Twitch to get free bits, I've seen TwitchRpg gaining some momentum. By signing up with TwitchRpg, you can do Twitch research to get 100 bits for completing initial questions. After that, you can get up to 4,500 bits for taking part in completing all the community tasks. Then you can get another 4,500 for taking part in the video focus group. Bits will appear in your profile no later than 45 days at the end of the research. If you're able to complete all of this, by the end you'll have around 9,000 free bits. So before we get into the video, hit up the like button, hit up the subscribe button, and leave a comment down below. It really helps out the channel. Thanks again, you guys. So you clicked on this video and you're hoping that you can get some free bits. Well, the bit god CalmCoolSavage is here to bring you another TwitchRpg update. Although this is true, you have to be 18 years old and you have to live in the USA or you cannot sign up to TwitchRpg. And for those of you who are saying TwitchRpg is dead, they've been posting on their page a lot more recently and they've even updated the facts page. And just look at the latest activities. I've never seen so many surveys. Over the past month or two, I've literally done like 6 surveys also. So you can tell that they're definitely ramping up their surveys. So if you want to give it a shot and try to sign up with TwitchRpg, I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. Now if you want to start getting free bits, sign into your TwitchRpg account, go right down here to Twitch Research, and this will take you to the Twitch Hub US powered by Inkling. This is the welcome page where you'll sign up with your email address. After you sign up with your email, it'll take you through various questions and you'll end up on the home page. Once you're at the home page, go to the to-do list and complete this activity. Once you complete the activity, it should bring you to this screen right here. And this screen here says, "Thank you so much for signing up to the Twitch Hub and completing the profiling questions. We're working with the team to check to see qualifies for the research. If you qualify, you will be contacted directly by a recruiter, and they'll be in touch very soon." I think this is going to be something big for a new rollout to get free bits by watching interactive ads on Twitch. So if you guys want to get in, or if you're already signed up to TwitchRpg, check it out right now. If you guys have any questions on how to get free bits, or you need help signing up with TwitchRpg, leave a comment down below. If you guys are interested, I stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. I'm just a small streamer that plays variety games, so if you want to come hang out, come check the stream and drop a follow. This video was just a quick update on TwitchRpg and how to get some free bits. If you guys want to stay updated on everything that revolves around free bits, hit up that subscribe button, hit up the like button, and leave a comment down below. I wish you guys good luck on getting free bits. Keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.